Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best foods to eat before and after your workout to maximize your gains and recovery. You know how important it is to fuel your body properly, especially when you're putting in the work at the gym. We're talking about optimizing your nutrition to build muscle, increase strength, and speed up recovery. Stick around till the end for a special offer. First up, let's talk about what you should eat before hitting the gym. We're talking about giving your body that rocket fuel to power through those sets. And let me tell you, egg whites are an excellent source of protein and amino acids, perfect for fueling your muscles. You see, these bad boys are like the building blocks of protein, and they're essential for muscle growth and repair. Ever heard of leucine? It's one of those essential amino acids that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. And guess what? Egg whites are loaded with it. Now, I'm not saying you have to slam a dozen raw eggs every morning like some kind of Rocky Balboa montage. You can scramble them, make an omelet, or even hard-boil a few for a quick and easy snack. The key here is to get those amino acids flowing through your system about an hour or two before your workout. That way, your body has all the fuel it needs to crush those weights. So, you want another killer pre-workout snack? Let's talk about Greek yogurt with berries. This combo is like a 1-2 punch of protein and carbs, perfect for keeping you energized throughout your workout. Greek yogurt, man, it's packed with protein, just like those egg whites we talked about, but it also brings something else to the table: probiotics. These little guys are good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy, and a healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, which means more gains. Now let's add some berries to the mix. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever you like. They're full of antioxidants and fiber, which help regulate your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and focused. Mix it all up in a bowl, maybe sprinkle some granola on top if you're feeling frisky, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious pre-workout meal. Alright, let's talk about another pre-workout powerhouse: oatmeal with banana. This combo is like the Energizer Bunny of breakfasts, providing a slow release of energy to sustain you through even the toughest workouts. Oatmeal, my friends, is a complex carbohydrate, which means it breaks down slowly in your body, providing a steady stream of energy. It's also a good source of fiber, which, like we talked about with berries, helps regulate your blood sugar levels and keeps those hunger pangs at bay. Now let's add a banana to the mix. Bananas are packed with potassium, an electrolyte that helps your muscles function properly. They're also a good source of natural sugars, which give you a quick burst of energy when you need it most. So, there you have it. Oatmeal with banana, a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and power through your workout. Alright, we've covered the pre-workout fuel, but what about after you've hit the gym? Now, let's move on to the best foods to eat after your workout. We're talking about replenishing those energy stores, repairing those micro tears in your muscles, and promoting growth. And let me tell you, grilled chicken breast is packed with protein to help repair and build muscle. Think of it this way: you've just put your body through the ringer, pushing those weights and challenging your muscles. Now it's time to feed those muscles and give them what they need to recover and grow stronger. Chicken breast is like the holy grail of post-workout foods. It's a lean protein source, which means it's low in fat and calories, but high in those muscle-building amino acids we talked about earlier. Grill it up with some salt, pepper, maybe a little paprika for flavor, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious post-workout meal. Now, sometimes you need something quick and easy after a workout, right? You're tired, you're hungry, and you don't want to spend an hour in the kitchen. That's where the protein shake comes in. A protein shake with whey protein is a quick and effective way to get your post-workout nutrition. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein, which means it gets absorbed into your bloodstream quickly, delivering those essential amino acids to your muscles ASAP. This is crucial for maximizing muscle protein synthesis and jump-starting the recovery process. Now you can get fancy with your protein shakes, adding all sorts of fruits, vegetables, and supplements. But at its core, all you really need is a scoop of whey protein powder, some water or milk, and maybe a little ice. Blend it up, chug it down, and you're good to go. Let's talk about a post-workout snack that's both delicious and effective: cottage cheese with pineapple. This combo is like a dynamic duo, providing a perfect balance of protein and carbs to aid in muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. Cottage cheese, my friends, is another one of those protein powerhouses. It's a slow-digesting protein, which means it provides a sustained release of amino acids throughout the night, promoting muscle growth and repair while you sleep. But it's not just about the protein. Cottage cheese also contains casein, a type of protein that helps prevent muscle breakdown. Now let's add some pineapple to the mix. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. It's also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan in the link below. We've covered some serious ground today, talking about the best foods to eat before and after your workout to maximize your gains and recovery. You've got your pre-workout fuel, your post-workout recovery snacks, and everything in between. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. And remember, you can find the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan right here. https://www.claudiacaldwell.com/OTO-UF61. $EL =splittest. 1214 Brad Flow Control #AF FELBJM76. This plan is packed with delicious and nutritious recipes that will help you take your training to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.